señoras y señores, este es un baile que se llama cha-cha-cha. ¿Cómo es?
All right, guys, good morning, good morning. We are off on our adventure with our dear friend Michael. Say hi, YouTube, Michael.
What's up, YouTube? I was
And little Bambino's back there. Big Bambino somewhere. Oh, there he is. All right, let's go, let's go. Oh, see, she's being difficult because Mommy's not here, so we're a little bit early for our transportation here, guys. It is 8:30 a.m. Come on, Cece. Let's go. Go in the shade. So Mama just went to get some coffee and she's gonna grab a quick bite to eat. Alright guys, we are just waiting on the rest of our party and the driver for the van. We're just across from the park here in Quacuila. Beautiful hot sunny day. Dry and hot. We could really use some moisture.
Sin tus caderas no puedo cantar. Sin tus caderas no puedo gozar. Sin tus caderas y movimiento mi ritmo y música va a parar. Sin tu cadera mi melodía no vale nada. Sin tus caderas mi ritmo no se llama el son. Sin tus caderas no hay fiesta, no hay ron. Sin tus caderas.
All right guys, this is where the adventure begins. And we're off. We got to walk through this construction site.
Patrón.
Excelente.
Estamos.
Gracias.
Ahí con cuidado.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, cool. Hola. Beautiful. All right, guys, we are off. Oh, look, you can go swimming over there. Perfecto. There's some people swimming up there. Oh. Looks nice. Excelente. Okay, we go up. Oh, we gotta climb up there. All right, guys, we just climbed up here. That was a heck of a climb for some of us.
Nice.
But he said that was the worst part of it. All right, guys, this is a
I feel like we're leaving a man behind.
pretty rustic trail. Like we're straight down right there. Oh, there's quite a few people up here today already though. She's a bit of a rugged climb, guys. Absolutely beautiful though. Okay, let's carry on, my friends. Okay, rock climbing. We're gonna cross the river here Okay, you're gonna get wet, dogs. We're all gonna get wet. And I'm not even gonna try not to. Okay, we're rock skipping. How you doing, my love? Oh yeah, look at there's little Cece looking for his dad. Okay. Oh yeah, this is better. I didn't have to climb that rock. What's Ruta? Ruta is trail? Trail? Ruta. There's a lot of people out here today. Saturday though, so to be expected. Oh yeah, we'll stop here and take some photos of the tree. Look at that. Hola, buenos días. So Esteban was saying these trees were probably struck by lightning. That's why they're open like this. Right?
13, 14,
oh yeah,
15.
look at that.
What the fuck?
Wow.
30, 40, 50. Fuck me.
Very, very beautiful back here, guys. I tell ya, you gotta come to Veracruz.
I don't know if this
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Bambino, come. I thought they were Siamese twins.
There you go. Okay, I'll be quiet. We'll just have some peace and quiet, guys. Okay, 5 more miles. Now we're pretty close now. So there's been people swimming and picnicking all up and down the river here on our walk to the canyon. Now, Car was here a couple weekends ago, but she didn't come this far. They just stopped at the swimming hole close to where we parked the combi back behind us. Beautiful, guys, absolutely beautiful. Well, thanks for joining us today, my friends. Be sure to give us a like, comment, and if you've not yet subscribed, please do so. If you want to see more nature walks in Veracruz, we'll soon be in Oaxaca in a few months, and we like to do stuff like this. Oh, I really appreciate you guys joining us. And we're happy to have you here with us today. God bless everybody out there. Oh, we got the OXXO station. Buenos días. So that's it. Okay, so I just offered anybody 100 pesos to milk the cow and 500 pesos to milk the bull. Nobody jumped on it.
I beg to differ.
Oh, sorry, Car was gonna milk the cow, but not the bull.
I didn't say that.
Okay, let's go in the water with the cows. We're gonna swim with the cows. Oh, oh, he's got a thing on his snout there. Oh, yeah, absolutely amazing, guys. Muy bonito. Sí. Muy, muy bonito.
¿Cómo venimos, eh? Cold out of the sun.
Yeah, it's nice though, wow. I tell you guys, the video does it no justice whatsoever. You gotta come to Veracruz. Oh, look at a puppy. Okay guys, I had to put you in my pocket as I navigated my way through the rocks over here. They were pretty slippery. So trying to pack the dog, GoPro, phone. So we walked down from where the cows are. We walked upstream here. There's another guide here. And she told our guide that the swimming is better over here. Our guide's only been here once, and he was just here the other day, and it was his first time ever being here. So, but he never walked upstream like this, so he didn't know. There's him and Car there, and this is their first time being up here. So, and he did say they saw some trout in here when they were here last time. These rocks are super slippery, guys. Super slippery. It's really, really, really cool. Come on, car, come get wet. Here we get the young fella jumping there.
Yo diría que te avientes. No tengo tres para grabarlo.
Yay! Okay, that's the climb, boy. Trying to hold the dog. Absolutely amazing. Okay guys, we're gonna make our way back through the canyon here. The water is super clear. You can see how clear it is. Super clean water. Buenas tardes. No, sí, mucho frío. Well, that's it, my friends. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up if you like our content, please and thank you. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Hasta luego.